Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your English class. Now today, as in the previous class, we started the unit 8. So let's start with the words meaning, making the two columns and putting the heading over there with the black marker. We start with the word. So first word is hugely, having a meaning to a great extent. Inspiring, have the effect to impress someone. Likewise, it is the third word, in the same way, meaning. Fourth word is humor, meaning a quality of being amusing, especially as expressed in literature. Fifth word, bickering, argue about trivial matter. Witty, characterized by quick and verbal humor. Feisty, lively, determined and courageous. Next word, animation, the state of being full of life. Ninth word, response, a verbal or written answer. The last word is critic, a person who expresses an unfavorable opinion of something. With this, we complete the words meaning. Let's write down these words for the sentences. First word for the sentences is opinion. Second, audience. Critics, traditional. Fifth word is animation. Then we write down brilliant. Seventh is script. And the last word is agreement. Now this is your homework. As you know, you are supposed to make sentences. So let's begin with the question answers. Now for the question answers, first let me tell you that there is no distinction between the short and the long. We are just going to put a single heading, that will be question answers. And on page number 99 we have got the questions over here. And when you see the questions, you have to understand them. Okay, इस तरह के we have merged some questions. ठीक है, पहला सवाल जो है, as you can see, it is having two parts over here. ठीक है, but we are going to add a question from here only with the first one. So now let's see what is our question going to become. Who wrote the book Shrek? Question mark. What type of a book is it? Question mark. Okay, and then we are going to add the third one. After you have written till here, you are going to write down the third question from here only. And the question is, when were Shrek, Shrek 2 and Shrek the third released? Now ये यानी कि सवाल नंबर 1 और सवाल नंबर 3 आपकी बुक से, from your book, is going to become question number 1 in your copy. Okay. Now after we have written this, now coming to question number 2 in your copy is going to be also merged. ठीक है, अब आप देखें मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. Question number 2 आपका है, where does Princess Fiona come from? ठीक है, question mark आ गया. Now after the question mark you are going to continue question number 5 from level 2 with the second. यानी कि हम जब ये सवाल लिख लेंगे, where does Princess Fiona come from? Question mark. फिर हम आगे से ही we are going to continue question number 5. In what way is Shrek an untypical hero? Question mark. This is your question number 2. Question number 3 is going to be C level number 1. Fourth is becoming third in the copy. Why did plans to make Shrek second get underway quickly? Question mark. Then coming to question number 4 in your copy. Question number 6 from level 2 will become 4th in the copy. In what way is Princess Fiona not a typical princess from a fairy tale? Question number 5 in your copy is going to be 7th from the book. What does the expression take a jab at celebrity culture mean? Question mark. Question number 9 will become 6 in the copy. Why do you think Shrek the Third was less successful and tired? 10th will become 7th. What happened to the series by 2010? And question number 11 will become 8th in your copy. What was the opinion of the critics about the last installment from the Shrek franchise? Question mark. So you see, in all we have got 8 questions. So let's begin with the question answers work in the copy. Using the black cut marker, we are going to put the heading in the center question answers. And as I told you, how you are going to write down the question. So let's write question number 1. Who wrote the book Shrek? Question mark. What type of book is it? Question mark. When were Shrek, Shrek 2 and Shrek the Third released? Question mark. Writing the answer. The author is William Steig, which is going to be bolded. Okay, full stop. Shrek is a picture book, full stop. They were released in 2001, 2004 and 2007 respectively, full stop. Question number 2. Where does Princess Fiona come from? And as I told you when we were discussing the questions, after the question mark you are going to continue question number 5 from level 2. In what way is Shrek an untypical hero? Answer number 2. She comes from far, far away, full stop. Shrek is untypical hero because ogres are usually villains, not heroes. Question number 3. Why did plans to make Shrek second get underway quickly? Answer. The film producers, going by the box office success of Shrek, were keen to make more money with the Shrek second, full stop. And with this we complete, not exactly complete, we stop our work here, okay? And then we are going to continue the remaining questions in our part 3.